All right, we've got some new dichroic glass here. It's a little too well packed, so let's see if we can speed this up a bit. My ever popular dark aqua. This is what the real treasure is. Copper. Mermaid. Rainbow 2. Reptilian. Oh, that should be fun. And copper crinkle. So we'll see how these all work out. This is corkscrew, which is a rainbow pattern in a splash of color. Should be fun to see once you get it against a dark color. So, lots of cool dichroic beads coming your way very soon.